Hello, my friend, Alena from Intense Memories. Like to share tutorial for that note book, which I give it to Ukrainian girl, so I can't show you. But let's go to start it, how I did that. So I will work with paper from craft o'clock Christmas time. So for beginning, I fold this paper on 15, so because on this scoreboard it's not 15, so I will do on 16. And what is good, very good for this paper is the opposite side don't have write nothing on that edge, so we can use that for decoration. So I fold this, and then I mark 9 centimeters, 18 centimeters, 27 and 27 and a half. Same I do on the bottom. 9, 18, 27 and 27 and a half. I make lines for all of them. 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines, and take this piece to sewing machine and I will sew. But before, because here will be pocket, so I want to make mark. I will cut little hole on each part. Oh, okay, that is small. Okay, and here also. This first I have to make bigger. Okay, again, I hope I will do right. I just hope. We'll see. Not really. Okay, so, and now I take to sewing machine and I already prepare, so it look like this. I sew this part in U style, then each section, and also on this ½ centimeter, I take a thread and I tied them and make them shortlier with scissors. So we already have 1, 2, 3 sections. It will be like that, and closure will be here. So now we need do here that tiny notebook. For that notebook, I use this part, number 4. I take off edge, okay, but my ruler was moved, and now I already prepare papers which will be inside the notes, and they measure 14.5 by 7.5, so I cut 15 centimeter by 14.5. How I did, I show you on one page. So I measure, how I told you, 15, yes, 15. And 15. Make a line. Fold the paper on half. That go out. I cut that. This we don't need. And this is third, so I fold on half, cut, and I make on same time 4 pages, so when I cut, I round the pages, the corners with that rounder. So I have prepared pages inside the notes, and that coming here. I think I make them shortlier. I want to see this part, so I make them shortlier, so I cut them like this. And all of them yes. So let's go, guys. Everything nice, tight. Again, measure here. So okay. So cut on this line. Okay, we don't need that. And I'm going to round the corners. I don't know if take it all 8s. Yes. Okay, it doesn't work very well. If somebody have idea how to make that corner cut sharper, let me know. Okay. So 4 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4. Okay, so now we need 14 centimeters for cover. So 14 and 14 here. I will cut that. So that will be first, and second 14 is, I like that edge, so 14, maybe I a little bit cut a little bit from that edge, and then I make 14. No. First I fold, score this paper for 8 and cut 16. So I fold for 8. And cut this. Because I want to save this rest of the paper, and I like that edge. I don't know what I will do with, so I save this, and now I make it 14. How it's come? Ah, it's okay. I don't have to do that, so okay. 14 and 14. So come like this. Okay, I round the corners. It's not anymore sharp, this. Okay, and this come here, so will be notes like that. So it's first, and this again I take scoreboard and score for 8. Fold this, and cut rest of this. I love this North style, winter style. Okay, around the corners. Sometimes it's nice, look. Okay, and inside I put this. So we already have these notes. I will sew by hands inside here, and this I will sew here. On that last video have different, it was like this and this, but because I love this Christmas tree, so I will sew here, and I will find what I will do next. So just distress the edge for 1 and for second, and I finish this video, and we will continue on next video. It looks nice. I am happy and will thinking what we will do next. Okay, thank you very much to visit my channel. Hope you can understand what I did till now, and see you next. Bye bye.